In this video, we're going to be reporting on who is queued to receive a specific campaign step. So what we're going to be looking at is who's waiting to receive a particular step within a sequence. So we're going to look at navigating to reporting mode and then specifically the step queued report. So hover over the marketing section and go to campaign builder and then go ahead and find the campaign that you want to report on. I'm going to go ahead and find some people with active contacts in it. So we're going to go into my classic nurture here. And when the campaign loads, we're going to go to reporting mode. And then we're going to need to double click into the sequence that contains the step we want to report on. So I'm going to double click into this classic nurture sequence. And now I'm going to hover over the timer before the step that we want to report on, and we're going to click this blue person icon in the upper right hand corner. So who are these 20 people waiting for the Valentine's Day email? This actually appears to be an actual, this might actually be a known issue. Okay, so normally that would take you to the normal report. For whatever reason today it's not working. So let me go ahead and show you how you normally access this report, just because you can do that with any of the other campaign reports as well. So in our marketing reports, we're going to go down to the campaign contacts waiting. And now we're going to assemble that. So that was in the, oh man, that was in a WoW Classic Nurture. And then we want to go to the WoW Classic Nurture, way too far. The Classic Nurture sequence itself, and then specifically I want to see the Valentine's Day one. So there you go. And then I can go ahead and search for it. And there you go. That's it. These are the 20 people that are waiting to receive that Happy Valentine's Day. So that's what we should have seen when we clicked from reporting mode. Again, that's just a bug happening right now today. When you try this in your app, it should be fixed. But worst case scenario, that's how you would actually set up the report. So keep in mind, again, you can access this from your marketing reports if you want to manually set them up. The other thing to be aware of is that in the edit criteria columns, you can actually filter based on the scheduling date as well. So if you want to find people that are scheduled for a certain range of time for a particular step, you can do this as well. In our next video, we're going to be reporting on who received a specific campaign step.